Goggle, you know the computer that you are working on is called desktop computer, don't you?
Yes, Toggle, I work on my desktop computer and my sister has a laptop.
Do you know that there are other types of computers also? They are large, powerful, and work on complex data.
What type of computers are these, Toggle? Can you tell me about them?
Sure, Goggle. I'll tell you about supercomputers first.
Supercomputers!
Supercomputers are the largest and most powerful computers. They often occupy an entire room and process trillions of instructions. They are used for applications such as astrophysical calculations or for code breaking. The first supercomputers, introduced in the 1960s, were designed by Seymour Cray and his team at Control Data Corporation, CDC.
Has India also developed any supercomputer?
Yes, Toggle. Param is a series of supercomputers developed by the Centre for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, in Pune, India. Some supercomputers in the Param series are Param Padma, Param 10,000 and Param 9000 SS.
Which is the other type of computer?
Next are mainframes. These two are large, powerful and expensive computers used mainly by large companies for bulk data processing, such as bank transaction processing. The term mainframe arose during the early 1970s with the introduction of smaller computers, which were known as minicomputers. So mainframe was coined for the larger, earlier types.
So how are mainframes different from supercomputers? Don't both have the same function?
Actually, the difference between the two is quite blurred. While supercomputers are meant for complicated calculations that take place largely in memory, mainframes are meant for simpler computations involving huge amounts of external data accessed from databases. Supercomputers tend to focus on processing scientific and military data, while mainframes tend to be used for business and civilian government applications.
You mentioned minicomputers. What are those?
As I said, the term minicomputer evolved in the early 1970s. These are the computers developed by using the microchip, but they have now been replaced by fourth-generation computers that use a more advanced version of the microprocessor technology called servers.
Servers. I have heard that these are used to manage enormous data.
Yes, Goggle. Companies use servers to store and retrieve its data. The fourth category of computers is the one that you are using. It is the microcomputer, commonly called a PC. A microcomputer uses a microprocessor as its CPU. It is compact and can be easily accommodated on a study table. After the launch of IBM Personal Computer, the term personal computer became popular for a consumer-friendly microcomputer.